and I'm coming to you from my home office in Colorado. And just wanted to give you a heads up, I am going to be making some changes. This is going to be helpful to you as well. One of the major things I'm going to be changing is I'm working on getting my blog content moved over into the Power Lead System blog, the Power blog that just came out a couple of weeks ago, and you can actually see that now. That's LyndaCromarPLS.com. LyndaCromarPLS.com. That's where my blog is, and the reason majorly why I did that was for the purpose of making things more streamlined and, less overhead, which is a good thing. And absolutely, I recommend it to you too. I'll put that link underneath this video. This is just a quick update. While I work on, I'm going to be able to do a little more live streaming tutorials. That's coming in the next few days. So watch for that. And definitely look at what I'm trying to do to actually, not just for my own team, not just for myself, but it's also something I can recommend to you. So definitely check that out. That's LyndaCromarPLS.com. That's the blog. And I can also put the information on how to get the blog underneath this video. I'll be talking with you soon, giving you more updates, and watch for those. Bye for now.